A lot of people ask us if motorized blinds are specifically for more modern or contemporary styled homes. And I would say no. Motorization is about a lifestyle in the home, not the design or the decor or the style of a home. In my opinion, the type or style of the shade, the fabric or style of the shade is what we try to fit to the home. And then motorization is just a convenience that we offer to be able to automate your lifestyle, to make it easy to reach hard to reach places, to be able to work all of your blinds or shades in unison so that they all go to exactly the same level at the same time, to be able to protect your home should you be gone on vacation. In our opinion, that doesn't have much to do with the style of the home itself, more how you're going to live in that home. A lot of our clients look at window coverings and wonder if they really need all of the electronics and the special things that go with motorized shades. And we're there to consult you in what works best with your lifestyle and your decor. So in many cases, motorized options aren't for every customer. Sometimes a much more simple approach, a simple child and pet safe cordless mechanism works very well. Continuous loop cords have been on blinds, though the federal government has put significant child safety standards on continuous loop cords. They are still a very reliable way to open and close a shade every day and get longevity out of that shade. In most cases, those continuous cord loops work for years without breaking. Please just make sure that the cord loop that you have has been certified by the federal government as a child and pet safe product. When working with an older or historic home, many of our clients like to use motorized shades. The reason they like motorized shades or automated shades in that situation is your historic or older homes are typically broken up. They don't feature the open floor plans that we see in some of the more modern homes today. To that end, it might be difficult to get to each and every room to be able to open and close the shades. If you motorize or automate those shades, you have the ability to program them to go up and down in the windows, to go to your favorite positions, to provide you privacy and light control and heat and cold resistance, all with being programmed in your phone. And especially in a historic home with a more closed floor plan, you could accomplish that without having to enter every room and walk around the furniture and get to each one, which would be much easier in an open concept home where you can see most of the windows from the same room.